Google Flow and Higgsfield are two powerful AI video platforms in 2026. But which one is actually better for creating high quality videos? Let's compare them quickly. Intro. Google Flow is designed primarily as an AI filmmaking and storytelling tool. Built around Google's video models, Higgsfield takes a broader approach, combining multiple AI video models with advanced camera controls, editing tools, and creative workflows. Video quality. Starting with Google Flow, its biggest advantage is VEO. Flow focuses on cinematic generation, strong realism, physics, prompt adherence, and increasingly sophisticated audio and editing capabilities. Higgsfield can also produce cinematic results, but its major advantage is its choice. You can access multiple models, including VEO, Sora, Kling, and Cdance, all from one workspace. Winner, Flow for a focused VEO workflow, Higgsfield for model variety. Creative control. This is where Higgsfield becomes especially interesting. Higgsfield offers detailed camera and motion controls, reference images, character consistency, video editing, and tools like Cinema Studio for more controlled cinematic production. Flow also gives you tools for generating, editing, extending, and composing scenes with a workflow designed specifically for filmmakers. Winner, Higgsfield for maximum control. Ease of use. Flow is the simpler choice if you mainly want to create cinematic scenes using Google's ecosystem. Higgsfield has more tools and models, which gives you more flexibility, but it can also make the platform feel more complex. Winner, Flow for simplicity. Final verdict. So which one should you choose? Choose Google Flow if you want a streamlined filmmaking experience focused on Google's VEO technology and cinematic storytelling. Choose Higgsfield if you want more creative control, multiple AI models, camera tools, editing features, and a broader production workflow. Overall, Flow is better for simplicity and VEO-focused filmmaking, while Higgsfield is better for flexibility and advanced creative control. If this comparison helped you decide, please consider like, share this video to your friends, subscribe for more AI tool comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.